Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with orange calcite, the stone of optimism and hope. And for those who have been watching my channel, welcome back. Happy New Year. And for those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that with orange calcite and finding out how meditating with orange calcite can help you improve your life. This is the first gemstone video of 2021, and I want to congratulate everyone for making it through 2020. It was so difficult. So I wanted to start this year off with hope and optimism and joy, and that is what orange calcite helps us to inspire and bring into our lives. Now, this is a member of the calcite family. There are many different colors of calcite, and I've reviewed many of them. I'm going to go through every color of calcite. One could form a crystal wisdom practice just using calcite. It's an incredibly powerful stone, and it has some similar base properties, but they deliver them in their own flavor. Today, this flavor's orange. And the first benefit of working with orange calcite is that, like all of the members of the calcite family, it's extremely cleansing. Like, this is a gemstone in any color that will really revitalize the energy of your body, of a room, of an atmosphere. And with orange calcite, it transmutes energy, heavy, dark, kind of depressing energy. It transmutes it into positive, uplifting energy. So if you have a room in your house that is in need of some lighter, more positive energy, then gridding orange calcite around the room, which means to put it in all 4 corners or to place it in all the window sills, to place orange calcite around the room will help to transmute the energy of that room and make it brighter and fresher, and really leave it with the sense that, like when you have fresh flowers in a clean room, that it just feels bright and joyous. And that is the energy, the cleansing energy that orange calcite brings. The second benefit of working with orange calcite is that it inspires optimism and hope. Really, this stone is incredibly uplifting. And if you feel like you've been in a dark, pessimistic mood, that things feel a little hopeless, that this is a stone that will help to turn this around for you. It reminds you that there is hope, that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, that you do have the strength to go further until you are actually enveloped in the light. This is a stone that reminds us of the good things in our life, the good people in our life that do bring us happiness and joy, even when it's hard to focus on the happiness right now. It helps us rediscover those small things in life that really bring us joy, that really uplift us, like taking a hot shower, like starting the morning with your favorite coffee, snuggling on the couch with your cat or your child or your loved one, watching the sunrise or the sunset, sitting outside, listening to the wind blow through the trees. Like, this is a gemstone that helps remind us that it's not about the big celebrations or the big moments of joy, but those little things in our day that like really help open up our heart and bring us some smiles and some peace. So this is a great stone for working with gratitude journals. I highly recommend to sit and to absorb the energy of orange calcite while you're considering what you might want to write in your gratitude journal. And especially after we have survived the year of 2020, I think it's a phenomenal practice to start off this year with a gratitude journal to help you move forward and to really start embracing the optimism and hope that this year brings for us. So the third benefit of working with orange calcite is that it amplifies energies. So calcite in itself amplifies the energies around us, our energy, the energy of the room, and it works hand in hand with the cleansing. But if you want to amplify your own positive energy and radiate it out to others, then wearing orange calcite is excellent for that. If you're going to have a family gathering or a party, when we can after the pandemic, then placing orange calcite in your place of celebration will just help to amplify that mood of celebration and happiness and joy. And if there's a space that you sit and you write in your gratitude journal and you really want it to have that uplifting energy, if you want to start your day like in your breakfast place with that energy, then put orange calcite there to really help amplify those positive, hopeful energies. And then the fourth benefit of working with orange calcite is that it inspires creativity. This is a stone, the color orange is associated with the Sacral Chakra, which helps us like birth and create and reproduce and bring things into the world. So if you are a creator, this is an incredibly inspiring stone, and it helps to allow new ideas to rise up and to give you motivation to continue working on that project. So if you're feeling a little stuck, like the ideas seem to have dried up, or your motivation for a project has fizzled, then sitting and meditating with orange calcite before you sit down to brainstorm or to pick up your paintbrush or your medium of art, it helps to get those creative juices flowing and to spark that creative fire. And it's best to have a mindset to just release the control of like wanting to make something happen or to figure out what to do, and allow your inner wisdom, your inner artist to let those ideas bubble up. Because sometimes when we have that mindset of wanting to do something, it dams up, it blocks up the creative flow. And releasing that and handing over the creative process to our inner guide helps to release that dam and get that river of creativity flowing again. Orange calcite is an incredibly uplifting, optimistic, joyous stone. It wants us to remember the beauty and joy around us, to rediscover it, and to help to bring something new and beautiful into this world. Thank you so much for joining me to talk about orange calcite and how it can help you in your everyday life. And if you feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days on Friday, I'll be posting a guided meditation designed specifically for orange calcite. And you don't need to have a gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything in this video or in anything in the guided meditation really feels familiar, it calls to you, or it triggers you in a little bit, it raises a red flag, then that's a sign that you should get some orange calcite and work with it some more. If you are brand new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how you can use those gemstones to improve your current life situation. So if you're interested in figuring out how to work with gemstones, how to start using them in your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.